Welcome to Brain Booster. Did you know that Machu Picchu isn't as old as you think? This iconic citadel, a testament to the ingenuity of the Inca civilization, was actually constructed around the year 1450. That's a full millennium after the fall of the Roman Empire and less than 100 years before the Spanish conquistadors arrived in Peru. The Incas, known for their adept engineering skills, built Machu Picchu without using any mortar. Instead, they employed a technique called ashlar, which involved cutting stones so precisely that they fit together without any space in between. Imagine stones so tightly placed that you couldn't even slide a sheet of paper through them. Quite the architectural marvel, wouldn't you agree? So, contrary to popular belief, Machu Picchu is relatively young, only about 600 years old. It's a testament to the advanced engineering prowess of the Incas, a civilization that thrived in a time not so far removed from our own. Ever wondered how Machu Picchu has stood the test of time, especially given Peru's high seismic activity? The secret lies in the Incas' innovative earthquake-resistant architecture. Let's delve into this fascinating aspect of Incan engineering. The Incas were skilled builders who made use of a unique technique known as ashlar. This involved cutting stones with such precision that they fit together seamlessly, without any need for mortar. This careful stone crafting resulted in walls that could move slightly and resettle without collapsing during an earthquake. In addition to this, they designed trapezoidal doors and windows. This shape, wider at the base than the top, offered greater stability during seismic shakeups. Incan walls also leaned inward, providing additional support and balance. They further reinforced their structures with bracing blocks to ensure their buildings withstood the test of time and tremors. It's a testament to the Incas' genius that Machu Picchu remains standing after centuries of seismic activity. You've probably heard of Machu Picchu as the lost city of the Incas, but was it ever really lost? This is a question many of us have pondered. The truth is, while explorer Hiram Bingham III did bring the ruins of Machu Picchu to international attention, the site was never truly lost. In fact, many locals, including Quechua farmers, knew about it all along. A local innkeeper by the name of Melchor Arteaga was instrumental in guiding Bingham to the site, unveiling the grandeur of this majestic city to the outside world. When Bingham arrived in 1911, he found Quechua farmers still cultivating the terraces, a testament to the site's continuous habitation. So, while Machu Picchu may have been lost to the outside world, it was never forgotten by the locals. This misconception, however, adds to the mystique and allure of this ancient city, making it an even more intriguing site to explore. Ever wondered what Machu Picchu means? Well, let's dive into the linguistic roots of this iconic name. Machu Picchu is derived from Quechua, the language spoken by many Andean people in Peru. Even after the Spanish introduced their language in the 16th century, Quechua endured and continues to influence place names throughout the country. The term Machu translates to old or old person, while Picchu signifies a conical-shaped solid, often interpreted as mountain. Therefore, Machu Picchu essentially means old mountain. This name is a fitting tribute to the ancient, majestic peak that houses the Inca citadel. It's a reminder of the rich Quechuan culture and the enduring legacy of the Inca civilization that continues to captivate the world. So, the next time you say Machu Picchu, you'll know you're referring to an old mountain. A simple name perhaps, but one that carries a weight of history and cultural significance. Did you know there was a decades-long dispute over the artifacts found at Machu Picchu? When Hiram Bingham III, the explorer who brought international recognition to Machu Picchu, and his team collected artifacts from the ruins during the scientific excavation of the site from 1912 to 1915, they shipped thousands of objects back to Yale University. These artifacts weren't just trinkets, they were precious pieces of history including ceramics, jewelry, silver pieces, and even human bones. However, this didn't sit well with the Peruvian government, who contested that these artifacts belonged to Peru and its people. They argued that these pieces were not just historical treasures, but also a part of their national heritage. This dispute continued for years, a tug-of-war between two nations over the rightful ownership of these artifacts. It wasn't until 2012, a full century after their initial removal, that Yale University finally returned these artifacts to Peru. It took a century, but the artifacts of Machu Picchu finally found their way back home. Aliens built Machu Picchu, or did they? This is one myth that has had its fair share of circulation. It seems inconceivable to some that a civilization without iron tools, draft animals, or even the wheel could have hauled such massive stones up a mountainside and built such magnificent structures. But hold on to your tinfoil hats, folks, because there's a far less extraterrestrial explanation. The Incas, ingenious as they were, had impressive engineering techniques that allowed them to construct this city in the clouds. They perfected a method known as ashlar, which involves cutting stones so precisely that they lay on top of one another without any space between them. Not even a sheet of paper can fit through, let alone a flying saucer. It was through sheer human labor, determination, and skills honed over generations that the Incas built Machu Picchu. No aliens needed, just the remarkable skills of the Incas. Machu Picchu is full of surprises. Ready for a few more? For starters, while many travelers fret over altitude sickness, Machu Picchu actually sits at a lower altitude than Cusco. Machu Picchu perches at 7,970 feet, while Cusco towers at 11,200 feet. That's right, the threshold for altitude sickness is generally around 8,000 feet, so breathe a sigh of relief. The location of Machu Picchu also gifts it a unique climate. Nestled on the edge of the Andes and the Amazon rainforest, it experiences a vibrant mix of both ecosystems, creating a unique biosphere. And finally, while adorable llamas are often synonymous with Machu Picchu, they are not native to the area. The Incas introduced these hardy creatures to the region. Whether it's the altitude, climate, or wildlife, Machu Picchu continues to surprise and fascinate us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.